Hello, in this lecture I explain about libraries. Pine-scale libraries are publications containing functions, okay, that can be reused in indicators, strategies, or other libraries. They are useful to define frequently used functions, so their source code does not have to be included in every script where they are needed. Okay. So let's first we want to make a library to identify our candle is bullish or bearish, is red, is bearish, is bullish, is red or green. Okay. First we uh, try library. First we define a function, an indicator we want to find this, to identify. Um, identify function. Okay, this is name of our function, and we say here if close is greater than open, so it is bullish. Okay, otherwise it is bearish. Okay, so here and here we can pass one argument, for example int integer argument, and here yes I copy here, paste here, and here this argument can be this. Okay, so for example if we add here 0, it say 0, say current candle is bullish or bearish. Okay, let's I show you. If bar say that is last, so label that new chart that point that now high, and here this is we said in current candle, in high of current candle. Okay, in high of now, and here for text we say str dot to string here. So because it's zero, because it is zero, um, it will show. Let's say because it's zero. Excuse me, my internet connection. Okay, here is bullish. Okay, because we say we gave zero. Okay, so kilo zero is off. If we add 2, it will give us bearish because 0 1 2. Okay, let's we do it as you see. It gave us bearish because we said check 2 candle ago. Okay, second candle. Okay, so So we want add this, make this as a library. Okay, let's try copy this. We come here and we click on library, and here we delete, we add this, we here we use one thing, export. Okay, export before our function. So if I add it to chart here, but this is library, not indicator, so we don't need this. Okay, we don't need this. This is enough for us. So we will use this function in everywhere and every script, every indicator that we want. Okay, so we should first publish it. We first publish it, publish library, first publish it, and here we write something, for example version 1 and my over version, uh, my indicator, this library, library, how, yes, library identify candle is bullish or bearish, and here we continue. We can add private or public, private. So here we published. Okay, here it give us one thing here. We copy this. Okay, we copy this, we come here, we know we want it to use in our script, our in our indicator. So we open new indicator. Here we say overlay true, and we import library. Okay, and we set it a nickname, for example iden. Okay, id. Okay, so we can use this to identify our candles. So here, if candle is bullish, put a label. Okay, we came here, we check codes. Here we know we have a function identifier, and he gave us bill this text. Okay, this or this text. So we say if iden dot identify function. What is identify function? This. Okay, it is identifying function which current. Okay, current zero, we say if we give zero, okay, it we got current. If this is equal to bullish, okay, bullish, this to bullish, So label.new bar index and high, and we add to chart. And here, as you see, in green candles we have label, but in red candle we have not, because I said if candle is bullish, okay. So we can say if ident dot identify function 0 is, here we check, here we say bearish. If it's bearish, so label, but this label, set this label to, for example, red color, that's red. And we update it on chart, and we see on red candle we have red label, and on green candles we have blue labels.